Hello to all my content creator friends and future content creators out there. Are you tired of living off of ramen noodles and tap water, and hopefully not the Philadelphia water that we have going over here? And waiting for your channel to hit 1,000 subscribers? Well, this video is for you because I'm going to tell you how to get paid on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers. So put down that cup of noodles and I'm going to show you how to make some real dough. The first way that you can get paid on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers: sell your voice. How ironic. As many of you already know, this channel has gained most of its popularity from me talking about audiobook narration. So it only makes sense that I tell you how you can sell your voice to make money on YouTube. The way that you can do that is by becoming a voiceover artist for other people's YouTube videos. Just because you're making money on YouTube doesn't mean that you have to run your own channel. There are plenty of people out there that are making money from doing voiceovers on other people's videos. And one platform where you can get those voiceover jobs is Fiverr. It's a website where you can offer your freelancing services and get paid to do it. And I've used Fiverr for years. I've been a customer on there as well as somebody that has sold services. What I've done is create YouTube thumbnails, and I've done video editing for people through Fiverr. So Fiverr is a legitimate platform. They are available in many countries. So no matter where you are in the world, most likely you can use Fiverr to be able to get those voiceover jobs so that you can start narrating for other people's videos. I know you're wondering,
how do I get these voiceover jobs? Like, what do I need to do?
Just record some samples and start advertising your services on Fiverr. People are always looking for talented voiceover artists. So let me be the one to tell you that it's a great way to earn some extra cash. The next option to get paid on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers: affiliate marketing. You can find products that you love and believe in and start promoting them in your videos. If you use a platform such as Brand Cycle or ClickBank, then you can get a unique link that you can post here on YouTube on your own YouTube channel without being monetized. Put it in the description. And you can also put it on social media as well, especially if you have a link in bio. And every time somebody makes a purchase from your link, or if they complete a task that's required, such as downloading a particular app, then you can earn a commission from them using your link. It's a win-win situation, both for you and for that company that you promoted. I briefly touched on this next option, and it is video editing. There are plenty of content creators out there that need their videos edited. Video editing is not very difficult, but it can be a daunting task. So there are plenty of people that are willing to pay for somebody else to do it for them. So once again, Fiverr is a great platform that you can use to offer your services, just like I have. Like I mentioned earlier, I have earned money editing other people's videos. But on the flip side of that, video editing still comes in handy and is a great way to grow your channel. So even if you don't want to edit for other people, you can make sure that you have people coming back to your channel by editing like a pro. So I'm going to help you out, and I'm going to show you some tips of how to edit like a pro. All right, now you are getting a behind the scenes look at me editing this video. So I just wanted to give you a couple tips and tricks as to how I edit my videos, since some people have been asking lately. So I use Final Cut Pro. It's from Apple. I have an iMac as well as a MacBook Air, and this program costs $300. Okay, so they do have a free trial, and early on in my YouTube journey, I showed how I got this program for like $12, but I wasn't able to update it. I'm not even going to go into it right now because Apple was like fighting. They like took that video down right away. They were like, hold on, she is letting people know how to get this program. All I can say is eBay. Anyway, so I use the full version now so I can get all my updates and everything, right? So to help me out in this particular video, I wanted to cut down these clips. This is called a timeline. So you have to take your clips and add them to the timeline. And the problem is a lot of times there's a lot of empty space between the speech. So I use something called Recut to basically speed up the process. This is what Recut looks like. So this was my full timeline without anything broken up. And then it cut it down within 5 seconds. And all those pink spots are spots that they took out of my video, and it took it down from 20 minutes and 59 seconds down to 16 minutes and 15 seconds without the silence. So it cut it 125 times. That saved me so much time. So I was able to export it and put it into Final Cut Pro. Now, back to Final Cut Pro. So once you do have clips on here, or a clip, if you want to, let me actually mute this so it's not distracting. But if you want to cut a clip, you can go here and then you can use your blade and then boom. And now you have like some scissors, and then you can cut that clip wherever you are going to cut. One other thing that I do when I'm editing is something that you will see right here, the zoom in and the zoom out, because what it does is it keeps people's attention longer, because people have no attention span, when you click off my videos. So what you can do, you highlight the clip by clicking on it, then you crop it, and it's Ken Burns. I love Ken Burns. Ken Burns is still alive. I Googled him. He's into filmmaking, and they named this like feature after him, which is really, really cool. And say if I was talking about the microphone, I can zoom in there. I can change the starting point to where it's like just me in the picture, and then it zooms to my microphone. So you will see how that goes. See? Okay, I'm not trying to bore anybody that's not into editing. So if you are into editing, you got to let me know by dropping a comment down below, because I actually recorded way more, but I'm not trying to bore people. So comment down below if you are interested in editing, and I will put out the rest of the recording. And take it from me, a full-time content creator, if you do want to grow your channel, you definitely need TubeBuddy. It's a free browser extension that helps with keyword research, SEO, and so much more. I use it all the time, and it's helped me grow my channel like crazy. They're not sponsoring this video, but I am affiliated with them. Use my link below. I've been using TubeBuddy since 2020. I've been using them for 3 years at this point. Now here's something new about TubeBuddy. This just came out, so you're getting a scoop here. So TubeBuddy has a new tool where it will go through your videos, and they will see what is keeping people in those videos, and they will suggest that you make a YouTube short out of that portion of the video. You tell me that's not gonna come in handy for a lot of people. So if you're somebody that has long form videos that you want to cut down into short form videos, but you're not sure which content you should cut down, TubeBuddy will help you out. Plus they have a whole bunch of other tools, my favorite of which is they can score your video titles so you have an idea of whether or not people would actually click into that video, or if they would be interested in that topic. And the best part is TubeBuddy has a free version. I personally have the Legend membership just because I use this as my full-time gig. Check out TubeBuddy and see which of their several plans they have available would be the best match for you and your channel. But absolutely use TubeBuddy if you are creating content on YouTube. I'm telling you, you need to do that. Make sure you use my link below. But I hope this video was helpful for you guys and will help you start earning money with under 1,000 subscribers. And if you have any questions or feedback, please do drop it in the comments, and please, let's stay respectful of each other. With that said, if you do like this type of content, please let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And for you creators out there, I have another video that can help you earn gift cards and cash for creating content. Watch this video and find out how. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around